So in today's class what we will be seeing is chapter 3, infix, prefix and postfix expression. So this is in the textbook you have, after stack you will be having an explanation of the infix, prefix and postfix expression. So now first we will see what is an expression. Expression is a collection of operands and operators. So what do you mean by operand? Operand is a variable. Operator you can have plus, minus, division operator, then exponential operator. So that are all arithmetic operator. So you have arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators. So here what I am taking is a simple example, x plus y. So we have understood what is an expression. Expression is nothing but the collection of operands and operators. Now there are three types of expression. The first one is infix expression. If the operator is in between the two variables, between the operands. So here the operand is x and y. So collection of operand x, y and operator. The plus is the operator. So infix expression denotes the operator is in between the operand, in between x and y. So that is called as infix. It is in between. Next is prefix expression. In prefix expression you will be having the operator before the operands preceded. So before the operands x and y you will be having the operator. Next, postfix. In postfix expression the operator is postfix to the operand. It is after the operands. These are the three types of expression. Hope you are clear about this. Infix, prefix and postfix expression. Expression is a collection of operands and operator. A simple example is x and y. X and y are operands, plus is an operator. This is a simple arithmetic expression. So next is we will see how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. So here infix expression what I have taken is x plus y within parenthesis divided by z multiplied 8 times. So this also is enclosed in parenthesis. This we need to convert to this particular postfix expression. Postfix means the operator is after the operands. So how we can convert? With the help of the stack only we can convert infix expression to postfix expression. So the given infix expression what I have done is I have separated each and every element of that expression, and we can see here there are 11 elements for this particular expression. Parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that I have separated and I have listed out here. Now we will see with the help of the stack. So stack in the previous chapter itself I have told you what is a stack. Stack is a data structure which is using last in first out technique. We will be having push and pop operation. Push is to insert the element, pop is to retrieve the element from the stack. So initially the stack is empty. Now we will be having two variables. One is the infix expression. This is the infix expression. We need to convert that to postfix expression. So infix expression to postfix expression. So here is a small table here. You just assume this as a table. Here the first element here is the parenthesis. So this parenthesis, so in this expression the parenthesis is the first element. So I am taking this infix expression, I am pushing that particular left parenthesis to the stack. So first I am pushing the left parenthesis to the stack. Next we are taking the second element. What is the second element? X. If you find an operand is a variable, immediately you are not pushing that to the stack, you are immediately appending, adding to the postfix expression variable. So I am just writing x because it is postfix expression. You have to have all the operand before and operator at the last. So first immediately I am writing this x to the postfix expression. If you find only the operator and the parenthesis, you are pushing to the stack. Next one, now we have this particular left parenthesis in the stack and x in the postfix expression. Next we will take, what is the next element? Third element is plus. So this plus, what you will do, I will be pushing inside the stack. So here we have plus here. Next we are having y. So y, what I will do, it is an operand. Immediately I am adding to the postfix expression. It is appending. It is not overwriting, it is appending. Appending means you are adding with the previous value. So previous value was x. Now we added one more operand y. Next one, the fifth element is, you can see the fifth element is right parenthesis. The rule of the stack is, if you encounter the right parenthesis, once if you find out right parenthesis is the next element, what you will do, I will be using the pop operation. So I will be popping all the elements from the stack. So what are the elements here? So we will be having the plus and the left parenthesis. So for right parenthesis you will be having left parenthesis. So this plus will be taken to the postfix expression. So once you encounter a matching parenthesis, so for this left we are having a matching right parenthesis. So this task is completed. So what you will do, you will pop the existed element from the stack. So the element only we have is plus. This both are matched and we are not including parenthesis for the expression. So we are taking only the operand and the operator. So this operator will be added, will be appended to the existing postfix expression. Hope you have understood this one. Next one, so this part is completed. Next, again the stack will be empty. It will be like this. After this, it will be looking like empty stack. Now what we will do, I will be pushing division operator. So what I will do, this particular division operator is pushed to the stack. Next what I will do, I will be pushing the left parenthesis. Until you get a matching parenthesis, you will be pushing all the elements. Next z. Z is not pushed to the stack, it is appended to the postfix expression. So this is xy plus z. Next you are finding the multiplication operator, you are pushing to the stack. Then you will be finding 8. 8 also is appended to the postfix expression. Next, the last, you will be having the right parenthesis, which is the matching parenthesis for the left. So once you find out this right parenthesis, you will pop all the elements. So what is the first element? You will be having multiplication operator, then you will be having division operator. So this is appended to the postfix expression. So here from, I will explain you from here also. So this is the left parenthesis. Left parenthesis means you are pushing to the stack. Next, z. Z is a operand. This is a variable. You have to, if any operand or value is there, you will be updating to the postfix expression. So you will be xy plus z. Then if this is again pushed to the stack, then 8 is again added to the postfix expression. Added, not appended. Then you will find a matching parenthesis. Once you get a matching parenthesis, you will pop all the elements. So what all elements after this we had? You had multiplication and you had division. So this both things are popped out from the stack and added to the end, appended to the end of the postfix expression. So this is how we do the convert infix to postfix expression by using the stack. Only the thing you have to remember is, once you find a matching parenthesis for the left, you will be getting a right parenthesis. You will pop the operator inside the stack and you will append to the postfix expression. So the operand and the values are not inserted to the stack. We are finding only, to understand, we are only pushing the operator. So this is how we convert. Now we will see a small example. So the postfix expression, what we have got is xy plus z8 multiplication and division. So this is a postfix expression. Now we will give some value for x, y and z. X is 10, y is 6 and z is 1. Now first what I will do, x, I am pushing x, the first step I am pushing x. Next what I will do, I will be pushing y, then plus. If you find a operator, immediately what I will take, I will, because for this two operand I found out a operator, it will pop out x plus y, so 10 plus 6, 16 it will calculate and it will push inside. So 16 is the value. Once if we find an operator, then what I'll do, I will be pushing Z, then 8, then a operator. Once you find an operator, immediate two operands are multiplied. So Z value is 1. So 1 into 8, you will get 8. So you will be having 8 and 16 here. 16 already there. Now Z is the value 1. 1 into 8. So 8 is the resultant value. Now the last one is division. So 16 divided by 8, you will get the result 2. So this is how we evaluate the postfix expression. First the infix is converted to postfix, and the postfix is again using stack we are evaluating the expression. Hope you have understood this one. So first just I will revise this one. So what is an expression? Expression is a collection of operands and operators. So we have three types of expression: infix, prefix and postfix. Infix where the operator is between the operand, prefix operator is before the operand, postfix is it is after the operand. So simple it is. Converting infix to postfix, only thing the rule is first we'll separate everything for better understanding. I've separated here, 11 elements are there. Just if you find a matching right parenthesis, you will pop out all the operator from the stack and you will append to the postfix. This is a simple rule.